So now our collar is ready to add the jump rings and chains and locker. So I'm gonna take one jump ring and open it with my two pliers. So that's why I have two. So it will help me to open and close everything and makes it look neat and beautiful. So I open one jump ring and I'm gonna add it to my my first cross, just like here. Okay. And in this one, I'm gonna add the locker. Okay, just right here, adding the locker. And then I'm gonna use the other plier and help me to close this jump ring. Make sure it's closed and good. So now I finished one end, and the other end I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna add a chain to the jump ring. I'm gonna again take the jump ring and open it with a plier. And then adding our chain. And then close everything and make it secure and beautiful. Here we go. As you can see, it's secured. And now we can wear it. It's ready and we can wear it, and as you can see, looks beautiful. And it's ready.